guys, we have started making sizzlers.
What is the first step?
Put the lettuce leaves.
Oh, these are cabbages.
Cabbages,
Okay.
sorry. The next step is to pour some roasted vegetables. Oops, I dropped the onion. The third step is pouring the rice. I'm going to pour it all on this side. Now my favorite part and the fourth step, the fries.
Why don't you put it here, all the way to the back?
Now it's patty time. I don't like this black bean patty. So I'm going to put, so this one is my special patty that I like. Finally, it's time for the barbecue sauce mixed with a lot of other sauces.